Good morning, students. We are on chapter number 4 of account part 2, that is analysis of financial statement. In this lecture, we will be learning about the stages of analysis of financial statements. So, topic for today is stages of analysis of financial statement. There are legal rules for preparation of financial statement. We know that financial statements are prepared on the basis of these rules. In the company form, financial accounts are prepared as per Companies Act 2013. There is a provision for structure and nature of financial statement. Different stages are developed for analysis of financial statement. Due to these stages, an organized and scientific analysis can be done. These stages are as under. Right? So, from friends, there is a provision for structure and nature of financial statement. Right? And different stages are developed for the same. So, one by one, those stages we will see. Let us see the first one. The first one is new structural arrangement of financial statement. That means at first stage the prepared financial statements are again rearranged in a new structural arrangement. Different tools are used for the analysis of financial statement, which are prepared as per the legal provision, where common size financial statement, comparative financial statement, and ratio analysis, etc., are included. The information disclosed in financial statement is reclassified and rearranged to undertake use of these tools. This arrangement makes use of tools more favorable. For example, to know the trend of net profit of last 5 years, the net profit rate is used. Its formula is net profit upon sales into 100. For this analysis, sales and profit of last 5 years is arranged in the form of a table, which is as follow. See, friends, we can see this table. Suppose in the first year there is a profit of rupees 60,000 and there is a sale of rupees 5 lakh. So against the sale of rupees 5 lakh there is a profit of rupees 60,000. So it can be calculated, that rate can be calculated like net profit upon sales into 100, that is 60,000 upon 5 lakh into 100, and it will give us 12, that is a 12% rate of profit. Okay, then suppose in second year 77,000 is the net profit and 5,50,000 is the total sales. So when we put these value in that formula, we know that net profit upon sales into 100, we get 14%. In third year, profit is 1,10,500 and sales is 8,50,000, and accordingly when we apply this we get 13% the rate of profit. And in fourth year, 80,000 is the profit, 5 lakh is the sales, and the profit rate is 16%. And in the fifth year, 84,000 is the profit and sales is 5 lakh 60,000 and the profit rate is 15%. When we talk about the sales, that is total, so in 5 year total sale is 29 lakh 60,000, against that total profit is rupees 4 lakh 11,500. And if we want to find the average, then as this is the total profit and total sales of 5 years, we will divide it by 5. We get 82,300 profit against 5,92,000 of sales. Okay friends, now if we want to find the rate of average, we will again put that formula, that net profit, which is 82,300, upon net sales, that is 5,92,000 into 100, so we get 14%. So in first stage, new structural arrangement of financial statement is done. One of the example is there in this table. Okay, in the first stage of analysis, required information is to be obtained from the financial statement and subsequently to be reclassified and rearranged as mentioned above. Okay, so to know the trend of net profit, the last 5 years, this information can be presented in this form. So friends, this was first stage where the required information or the information of financial statement is represented in a new structural arrangement. Okay, now let us see the second. In the second stage, the comparison is done. Comparison is done in the second stage. In the second stage of financial analysis, reclassified and rearranged information is compared. The sales and net profit which are shown in the table are compared with sales and net profit of its previous year. For example, that is the comparison of the result of the second year with the first will be compared with first year. Profit and sales and net profit are increased as compared to first year in the second year. In this way, the result of the second year with the third year and third year with the fourth year and fourth year with the fifth year can be compared. Analysis and interpretation, which is the third stage, is done on the basis of comparison. So friend, to understand this, let us move to the table. See what this way comparison is done here. First year the profit is 60,000 and sales is rupees 5 lakh, and in second year profit has increased from 60,000 to 77,000, and from sales has increased from 5 lakh rupees to 5 lakh 50,000. So there is an increase in net profit as well as sales in the second year as compared to first year, and in third year profit again has increased from 77,000 to 1,10,500, and sales has increased from 5,50,000 to 8,50,000. And in the fourth year, profit and sales both have decreased. Profit has decreased from 1,10,500 to 80,000 when fourth year is compared with third year, and sales is decreased from 8,50,000 to 5 lakh. And if we talk about the fifth year, the sales and profit both are increased by a small amount. Profit is increased from 80,000 to 84,000, and sales has increased from 5 lakh to 5,60,000. So this is the second stage where comparison is done of the information be presented in the new structural arrangement. Now friends, the third stage comes, and the third stage is analysis and interpretation, right? But again, to understand this, we will have to move to this table only, where we will try to understand how to explain this, right? First of all, we will go through this paragraph. Under point number 2, the information is compared. Under this stage, an attempt is made to explain information in quantitative manner along with quantitative form. Analysis means appropriate examination or evaluation of information. So friends, if somebody asks you what do you mean by analysis, it means that appropriate examination and evaluation of information, right, where information is categorized into different components and their relationship is tested. Interpretation gives explanation of this relationship. Net profit and sales shown in the above table are components of financial statement. There are two variables for computation of net profit rate and both are interrelated. Theoretically, increase in sales leads to increase in net profit. It means sales and net profit has positive relationship. So friend, we know that two important concept to know the rate, that is net profit and sales, and normally they are positively related. They have positive relationship. When there's a more sale, there's a more profit. If there's a less sale, there will be less comparative profit. Okay, as compared to the first year, sales is increased from 5 lakh to 5 lakh 50,000. In the second year, the profit has increased from 60,000 to the 277,000. This we have seen while discussing about the first stage, where that new structural arrangement of financial statement we have seen, right? In third year, sales has increased, profit has also increased. In fourth year, sales is reduced, profit is also reduced. And in fifth year, sales is increased, profit is also increased. So normally sales and profit both are having the positive relationship. If sales increase, profit also increases. Sales decrease, profit also decreases. But in practice, it is also possible that in spite of increase in sales, there may be a reduction in profit, or despite of decrease in the sales, there may be an increase in the profit. So that is also possible, but this process is known as analysis. Right? Let us try to understand this with the table. Here in this table, we can see that as compared to the first year, net profit rate of the second year is increased from 12% to 14%. First year, the rate of profit is 12%, and the second year, the rate of profit is 14%. It is good for the company. But if we talk about the third year, and when we compare third year with the second year, we can see that third year's profit rate has decreased from 14% to 13%. It can be said here that profit earning capacity of the company is reduced during the third year as compared to second year. We can clearly see this. This rate first year it was 12%, second year it reached to 14%. So there's an increase in profitability, but in third year the rate came down to 13%. That means there's a decrease in the earning capacity of company, right? And the same time, in the fourth year, the rate you will see that it is given 16%, and we have seen that there was a reduction in sales and profit both. So in third year, in fourth year, in spite of there's a fall in the sales and profit, the rate of profit is more, right? So this also can be observed. And then in the fifth year, there is a decrease, there's an increase in the profit as well as sales, but rate is a rate has decreased by 1%. So this is called analysis. If we want to see the 5 years information, then in 5 years total profit is information of 5 years. The total sales of 5 years is 29 lakh 60,000 and total profit is 4 lakh 11,500, right? Their average respectively 5 lakh 92,000 and 82,300. So this kind of interpretation can be done each year. This process is known as interpretation. So friends, this was all about the stages of analysis of financial statement, where the first one was new structural arrangement of financial statement, second stage we is comparison, and third stage analysis and interpretation. Okay, right? So In the upcoming videos we will see the tools of financial statement analysis or tools of analysis of financial statement pertaining to common size financial statement, comparative financial statement, and also ratio analysis, which we will be learning in the next chapter. So upcoming video we will see the tools of finance analysis of financial statement, where two tools we will see: one comparative financial statement and second one common size financial statement. Thank you.